Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got SheModern, Old Meets New Instagram collaboration. This theme is Christmas. Here is Bases Loaded Lacquer SB26. Beautiful blue with some I don't know, iridescent flakies in there. So pretty. And I've got some extra long tips out today. These were sent to me by my friend over there at Omnia's Wish. These are some of those goodies she sent me, and I really wanted some nail estate to play with today. Get to play with some SheModern. So we've got two coats, and now we're going to go in with our top coat. Today I'm using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I promise I'm on my last bottle. It will not last forever, so you know. There we go. Just use your top coat that you like. I'm going to top these also with the pure ice, and this is the frost finish, kind of like a matte finish. I found that works best when playing with the SheModern sticky stamping polishes and the glitter dust. So we're going to get these to kind of matte down a little bit. And I decided to go ahead and do two coats of it, because I really want to make sure that I got everything. Do not want to have any struggle bus stuff today. Okay, it's Maniology MXM. Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, 091. We're going to get a better look at them. And 92. But we're going to get a better look at them here in a minute. I'm getting the blue film off of them. We're going to give them a quick wipe down, and then we'll take a peek at the plates. I'll also be using this opaque white sticky stamping polish from SheModern and the white bright shimmer metallic pearl. Ooh wee! And I'll also be using the SheModern stamper and my Maniology scraper. So here we go. We're going to get those plates cleaned off. A little acetone. And it is MXM091 and MXM092. Now these are kind of like Nightmare Before Christmas. And I know that wasn't the theme. The theme was Christmas, but look, I have to use things that haven't been used, so I just decided to use these. Love the little Christmas tree of cats. Very cute. So I'm going to stamp all the images with the sticky stamping polish first, and then we'll mess with the powder. Yes. And I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller. And look, I'm trying to get this off with the card. I see people do it all the time. I'm no good at it. We're going to stick with our tape. So this is a really cute little candy cane, and it's got like a skull in it. And then we've got little snowflakes, but they've got like, you know, some kind of Nightmare Before Christmas kind of things happening with it. Some skulls and all kinds of spiders and all kinds of cool stuff. Hopefully you'll get a better look at them here in a little bit. I had a little bit left over, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze those, patch them in to the top of this nail. Trying to figure out what part I want to use. It just needs a little bit for that corner. There we go. Tap it down. There we go. And then we've got a reindeer. Gotta have a reindeer for Christmas. Now, I did kind of like a bad placement on this one, and the nose gets kind of separated from the little reindeer a little bit, but I think it's going to be okay. It was the way I did it, kind of rolling it, mushing it down, and then roll it. Yeah, see, but it'll be okay. And then we've got some wordage we're going to put on that little pinky nail. Get the excess up with my tape, because that's the way I do better with it. Alright, this plate out of my way. Get that nail over here, and let's get this owned. That skinny nail. And it says Haunted Xmas. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to clean these stamping plates off with some acetone You guys know I'm a ninny. I like to clean things up before I put them away. And now we're going to dust these with this beautiful glitter dust from SheModern. I love this stuff, and I love playing with this. This is just too much fun. So I'm tapping the bottom of the bottle to dispense just a little bit at a time out of the opening, and go back here in a minute and tap stuff down and secure things. But I was really excited about this. Really, really wanted to play with these sticky stamping polishes and these glitters. I just can't get enough. Just don't have enough time to play, you guys. I just don't have enough time. So we're tapping it in with our finger. You know, you could do this different ways. You could apply it to a stamper and then, you know, apply the dust that way. But I just prefer to do my finger. Give it a little tap, tap. I'm going to get it off my finger on my lint roller here. And I let them sit for a little bit, and now I'm just brushing off the extra dust. We're going to get that all up in our, you know, I don't want it moving around after this. I want it to stay crisp and on the design. I'm going to be using the clear sealer, also from SheModern, and I did get a tip from a viewer to use very little. And I just had a very tiny bit on that brush, and I'm using it for the whole nail. And once that's dry, I'll be topping these with I&Ms out the door. Gonna dial you in a little bit. Here you go. There you go. Get some top coat on here. And seal it all the way in with my glossy top coat. Because that's how we do it. Pretty much. I mean, I love matte, but I just don't always remember to do that. So there we go. Haha, love these. So, got the cats and the candy canes and the snowflakes and the reindeer and the haunted Xmas. I do have a glue tab on my fingernail, and we're just going to mush these on and get a swatch photo. Love these tips. They're so cool. And there it is. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.